Guys, it came in the mail. Star Wars Theory Saber. I'm opening it now. Oh, wow. That's incredible. I'll get the... Right here. Follow your destiny. So it comes with instructions. Stickers. Oh, that's a cool logo. More stickers. Okay. Some tools here. A little plate. A little baggie with the lightsaber hilt. Okay, this is gonna be the best part. This is Anakin Episode 3, Revenge of the Sith lightsaber hilt, and it actually has some weight to it too. It's heavier than I thought. There it is. Anakin Episode 3 lightsaber hilt. That's incredible. Thank you, Star Wars Theory. You're the best. Thank you, Star Wars Theory. Make sure to check out his channel. You get a 10% off discount on this first purchase. Dude, I'm buying another one of you. The Maul Slayer. I'm definitely going to get that. Maybe the Pixel Blade. But anyways, yeah. Oh, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And it comes with its own little baggie, too. Look at this. It's a really cool bag. So, thank you guys so much. And, yeah. Definitely go check out Theory Sabers. He has some really cool stuff.